This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially new receivers are automatically activated tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH58 listening area: in Alabama, Calhoun, Chambers, Cherokee, Clay, Cleburne, Coosa, Etowah, Jefferson, Randolph, St. Clair, Shelby, Talladega, and Tallapoosa, and in Georgia, Carroll County. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.